Alright, I want some of you to tell me how long it takes for you to do this job. It ends right there at that bush. Hold on, let me clear this lens. Alright, it starts right there at that bush. So you got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 pieces of glass in and out. Well, you see the size of them. So leave a comment below and let's all see exactly how our efficiency is when it comes to the amount of glass one does and the amount of glass, how long it should take that one individual to do by himself in and out, including wiping frames and ledges. All right, I know how long it took me, and I will let you guys know once you let me know how long you think it would take you. Let's be honest here. Don't just come up with some ridiculous numbers, which I would think it would be literally impossible. I would have to see it to believe it. That type of stuff. Leave a comment, let me know how long you think it should take you or it should take me. That way, for those who aren't that efficient and thorough and fast, then at least they know that they could be faster because they're seeing other people talk about how long it should take to do that job. You should be right around where everybody pretty much comes up with the same answer. That's pretty much a gauge that you can focus on in order to enhance your skills and your speed and your accuracy. All right? Macafracka, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, peace, peace.